Morning, students. As you all know that we are doing the revision these days. So up to lesson 2 I have demonstrated yesterday. I have given you the revision. So today I am going to explain the exercise also of lesson 2. This is the exercise of lesson 2. Okay. So first one, I have two questions to ask. This statement is giving the positive sense, so it is assertive sentence. Next is, how will you help your mother in the kitchen? Question is started with the word how, and at the last interrogative mark is there, so it is interrogative sentence. Next, mail this letter today. In this statement, somebody is giving the order, so it is imperative sentence. Do not waste your time like this. In this statement, somebody is giving the suggestion, so it is also imperative sentence. What a mess you have made. At the last exclamation mark will be there, so it is exclamatory sentence. We will help all those who want to work. This statement is also giving the positive statement, so it is assertive sentence. Is he your elder brother? In this question, at the last question mark will be there, and it is started with the helping verb, so it is a interrogative sentence. We can write here interrogative. Take this money and get lost. Take this money and get lost means somebody is giving the order, so it is imperative sentence. Wow, what a victory for our team. Yesterday I have told you that sudden feeling, if there is any kind of sudden feeling in the sentence, it is exclamatory sentence, and exclamation mark will be also there, so it is exclamatory sentence. She has not visited us yet. In this, not is there, so it is negative of assertive sentence. Come to the next one. Ankur is the topper of class 4th. You have to change these assertive sentences into interrogative form. So what you all have to do, you all have to put the is in front of the sentence only. So, and write is only one time. Is Ankur the topper of class 4th? Question mark. Now this sentence statement is changed into interrogative sentence. The queen has taken her lunch. How will you change this into interrogative? You have to put the has in front of the statement. Has the queen taken her lunch? At the last question mark will be there. Next, the principal has punished the latecomers. So what you all have to do, as simple, has is the helping verb, you put it into the front of the statement. Has the principal punished the latecomers? At the last question mark we will put, so it is interrogative sentence. Like this, he will reach here by car. Will he reach here by car? So helping verb should come first, and after that at the last we can put the interrogative mark. Like this we can complete all these statements. At the last also, we are going to Kashmir this year in the summer. You can change it. How can you change? Are we going to Kashmir this year in the summer? Now come to the next one. Next exercise is like this, that words are given in a jumble form. Here and there words are given. You have to put it into a proper sequence to make it a sentence. So rearrange the following words into sentences. Not I sing unless Will goes he out. How can you change? You can put I in the front, after that helping verb, not sing unless he goes out. And in this statement is giving the I will not sing means negative, so it is assertive sentence, because negative and affirmative are the part of assertive sentence na. So come to the next one. Me now do work my let. In this, let me do my work now. This is also your positive statement, so it is assertive. Next, alas, grandfather died has. So how can you put alas exclamation mark grandfather has died? This is your exclamatory sentence. exclamatory, because somebody is died here, na? So it is a certain feeling of sadness. Next, and go off, light the switch. Go and switch off the light. So somebody is giving the instructions to switch off the light, so it is imperative sentence. Finish what to the game, the a. So how can you change it? What a finish to the game. It is assertive sentence. Next, how will the deer? Will the itself, how dear lion protect the? In this you can see that question word is there, how. So you will put it like this, how will the deer protect itself from the lion? So it is interrogative sentence. Come to the last one of this chapter. Change the following sentence into interrogative sentence. One has been done for you. Means simple sentence, assertive sentence is given, my school is nearby. So how can you change? You can put the helping verb. In this sentence, helping verb is. So you can put it into the front. Is my school nearby? That is a bat. So how can you change it? Is that a bat? And at the last you can put the question mark. My younger sister is 3 years old. So how can you change? You can put the helping verb is in front of the sentence only. Is my younger sister 3 years old? Is will not come the second time, only one time, na? They are our friends. Are they our friends? Like this. English is my favorite subject. Is English my favorite subject? Is English my favorite subject? At the last, question mark will be there. I go for tuition regularly. In this, no helping verb will be there. So how can we change? Do I go for tuition regularly? We can change it like this. Let's begin with the third chapter. Revision of the third chapter. Noun and its kind. In this lesson, what do you mean by noun? First of all, you all know na, noun. That noun are the names of everyone and everything that we can see with our eyes and think in our mind. Means noun is the name of person, place or thing, or everyone and everything that we can see surrounding us. It is known as noun. Come to the next, kinds of nouns. So first is proper noun, second is common noun, third is abstract noun, and fourth is collective noun. Fourth one is collective noun. So what do you mean by proper noun? Proper noun are the name of some particular person. It is a particular name of a person, place, river, mountain and book, etc. Like proper name. If your name is Satvik, you are a boy, your name is Satvik. So Satvik is the proper name given to a particular person. It is a unique one, na? So proper noun are the name of some particular person, place, river, mountain and book, etc. Come with the examples. We are going through the examples. Priya has borrowed my English book. In this, Priya is the name of a particular girl. So Priya is the proper noun here. And English book means subject, particularly it is an English book. Next, he went to Kolkata to attend his cousin's marriage. In this, Kolkata is a particular city. It is the particular name of a city, so it is a proper noun. Come to the next one. It is common noun. Common nouns are the names of general places, people, animals or things. Means common noun means commonly names are given to the place, people, animal or things. Like I went to a post office to buy stamps. In this example, post office is common. Either it will be near your house, either it will be farther from your house. Post office will be commonly used, and stamp is also commonly, any stamp. So it is common nouns. My grandmother is a religious lady. Grandmother is used as a common name for anybody's grandmother, and lady is for anybody, any lady, है ना? So it is common noun. Come to the next. Abstract noun. Abstract noun tell us the name of a thing which we cannot see or touch. As previously I have told you in my previous classes also, that abstract noun tell us the name of the things which we cannot see or touch. Like Puneet is known for his honesty and sincerity. In this honesty and sincerity only we feel, but we cannot see it or touch it. Okay, so it is abstract noun. Come to the last, collective noun. Collective nouns tell us the name of a group of people, animals or things. Collective means collection. So first example, the herd of cows raised a huge dust cloud. Herd is a group of cows. The flock of sheep is a group of sheep. So these are all the collective noun. Collective nouns tell us the group of people, animal, things spoken as a whole. So what you all have to do, you all have to revise it properly for your further exams. Thank you.